Hey, what's up guys? This is Akuma Max. I decided to make this video for people that are having a little trouble with programming their remote to the car. I know this is kind of a difficult thing on how to read the steps and try and do it correctly, so this video, hopefully I'll be able to tell you exactly how you guys have to do it, okay? Just to make it a little easier for people. I know when I see things firsthand, it makes it a whole hell of a lot better than reading it on a piece of paper. Now that's just me, other people might be the same way, so that's why I'm making this video. So to start off, what you need is your remote, and what you need to do is grab the 8-digit code off of the back of this remote. You gotta pop off the back where the battery is and grab that digit. Make sure you write it down and have it in hand. I have a little piece of paper here with my codes for all my remotes. Now I was told you can only have 4 remotes on here. So right now I have only 2 of them on here right now. So hopefully I could get this other one to work and see if it does. So once you get this all set up and everything, you're going to go into your car. You're going to make sure all your doors are locked. If they are not, this will not work. So you have to have all your doors locked. You can have your windows rolled down, whatever, just as long as all your doors are closed. I'm sorry, not locked. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your key and you are going to put it in the ignition, and you're going to turn it to the accessory and then turn it back off 10 times. Do that in a sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth until you get to 10. Now once that'll happen, you're going to hear a little chime. So you have about 30 seconds for this chime until it goes off again. Once that chime starts, you have to open the door and close the door, and you're going to hear another little tiny chime. It's going to be a little different. Once that chimes, you got to start entering in your 8-digit code right away. Otherwise, you're going to miss the chance. So how you're going to do that, and the reason why this is focused on specifically the door here, is the codes are entered in with your lock and unlock button, which is located down here at the bottom of your Windows switch. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with your first code, your first digit, okay, of your 8 digits. So number 1 on the 8th digit, you're going to do it. So let's say my first 3 codes are going to be 114. So I'm going to press up on the lock, 1, press down on the lock, press up on the lock for my next one, press down on the lock to enter it in, press 1, 2, 3, 4, unlock, and then down to lock to enter in the code. And do that for all 8 digits. So we're going to do that and see if it works. As of right now, oh, I guess this is already programmed. So we're going to try this, try programming a different remote. I'm going to use this one, and we're going to try and program this. As you can see, it is not programmed at all. So we're going to try and do that right now, okay? So just hang with me, and we're going to go through the steps. You're going to hear the little chimes in the video, and that'll let you know that you're doing it all correctly. So we're going to reset everything. Okay, we're going to make sure that everything is reset, and we're good to go. So now we're going to start. We're going to put the key in the ignition, and then we're going to go ahead. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now your lights are going to flash. That beep is going to sound. Open up the door. Press it in. We're going to do 1, down, 1, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, down. Now, as you can see here, that the door's locked and unlocked after you entered in the code a second time. So once you enter in the code the first time, you're going to go ahead and do the entire sequence all over again, just with the door lock. Okay, so my my key fob started with 114. So, you know, and it ends with, we're going to say it ends with 7. So once you enter in that 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then down, you're going to start to back to 1, the number 1. So I'm going to do 1, down, 1, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, down. And that'll let me go through the entire process. And of course, I'm going to end with 7, which was my 8th digit. So once it does that, you might have noticed that it locked and unlocked. That's confirming that it does that. Now, while it's doing that, you make sure you press down once on the lock to unlock, and that'll make sure that it'll confirm it. Now, to see if this actually worked or not, we're going to try it out. So, see, this one didn't work. So, it's kind of a trial and error thing, but sooner or later you get it. Oh, never mind. It did work. So here it is. All right, so now it's all programmed in. We're good to go. I'm all set. All my remotes are programmed now, so I'm happy as can be. Hopefully this helped you out with you guys. If you got any questions or anything, just let me know. I will be putting this up on legacygt.com, and I will provide the step-by-step as usual. I know it's in the user manual and everything, but some people kind of like to go with the video and everything. So, hopefully this helped you out, and if you got any questions, just let me know. All right? Have a good day, guys.